Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is all about division of a fraction by a fraction. So we have two methods here. For method 1, we're going to rename the fractions as similar fractions. So we're going to find the LCD of the both denominator. Okay, now the LCD of 4 and 8. So we have 8. Okay, now to get the numerator, we're going to divide 8 and 4. So 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. And we're going to times the numerator. So 2 times 3 and is equal to 6. And now the second one, 8 divided 8 is equal to 1. And 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now we're going to divide 6 divide 1 and we have 6. And 8 divide 8 is equal to 1. Now remember, kung ang fraction natin ay over 1, it means it is a whole number. Okay? So this is the answer. And now for method 2, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the divisor. So, paano yun? So, we're going to write 3 over 4 and we're going to change divide into times and we're going to reciprocate 1 over 8 to 8 over 1. And now, we're going to multiply this one. So, 3 times 8 is equal to 24 and 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Or if the answer is improper fraction, we're going to divide 24 and 4. So 24 divided 4 is equal to 6. Okay, now the answer is 6. So there you have it. The division of a fraction by a fraction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!